500 arrests in the United States since September. 6 mental health clinics just this week, they closed yesterday.
We still have racial profiling. I'm the first cousin of Stefan Watts. My great-grandfather 94 years ago was lynched down in Grenada, Mississippi. Now, February 1st of this year, my 15-year-old autistic cousin was lynched, shot twice by 2 officers in his home. We need a new civil rights movement.
International Vice President of Workers United.
Yeah, give it up. And let me just say to the Chicago Police Department, you are either with us or you're against us. We
Danny Von Moore, Teamster, 743 President.
Teamsters are in the house today. First, I'd like to thank Joint Council 25 and John Coley, the president, for the loan of the truck to represent labor and Teamsters in this effort to show solidarity with the 99%, which is everybody except for them. On my way over here, a man put a camera in my face and he said, "Do you know that you're a Teamster, right?" I said, "Yeah." He said, "Well, do you know that you're walking with communists and fascists?" And he started naming off things. He said, you sure you want to support that?" What I told him is that is the 99%. That is all of us. We all have to stand together to fight what we think is injustice in our country.
I'm not going to talk a lot because I don't want us all to get poured on, but I think I'm the new face of immigration. It isn't brown, it's white. Because with the deportation of my husband, it's also an auto deportation for us. My husband got deported, and now as of tomorrow, me and my 4 children, even though we're all U.S. citizens, have to move to Mexico in order to be a family. I think that's sad. I think there's no justice in that. And I think our lawmakers need to wake up, make a change, and stop breaking apart families. Thank you.